Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add signature to your documents on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs by using your web browser or the desktop shortcut that we created in a previous video. Maybe you want to check that one out if you don't have the desktop shortcut already. Now once you open up Google Docs, you can find various templates or your recent documents underneath. Just open up your desired document that you want to add your signature to. Now there are two ways of entering your signature. Simply hover over and add the cursor to where you want your signature to appear and then click on the Insert menu. From here you can click on Drawing and then click on New. Now just select the drop-down menu and choose Scribble. Now you can just enter your signature using your mouse or a stylus if you have one. You can then click on Save and Close and your signature will appear underneath. You can now drag this to anywhere that you want it to appear and also resize based on your requirements. Another way is simply to add your scanned signature. So if you have your scanned signature in a transparent image format, then simply click on Insert and then choose Image. Now you can just upload your signature and this will immediately appear where you placed your cursor. You can resize this and position it anywhere you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add signature to your document on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.